Okay, now this time do this one, please. Have to.
Are you putting half a packet of baking soda?
The whole entire packet.
The whole entire packet.
But not as much as last time.
Okay, now
That one last time was over much. No, it's lots. I'm not joking. So I'm putting
Have I
no, but
bombed up?
it's gonna bomb this time. It's gonna, this glass is not gonna bomb that much. It's gonna bomb. These ones are gonna be as big.
Oh no! Oh no!
Let it last. Let it last.
That's why you
Oh,
should
shoot.
not make it go. Oh no! It's gonna get my food.
Now leave that.
I'll put it. Okay, now it's good. Fill even more.
No.
Okay.
Now gently add the baking soda.
No.
Uh-oh.
So why did you do that?
Because I want it.
Done.
Just go. Hold it as tight as you can.
Exploded. So pick up the fingers. Pick up the fingers. Pick up the fingers. Pick up the fingers. Yeah, Ting, get all the baking soda on the fingers. Get all the baking soda on the fingers. Good. I could use more baking soda.
Now should I let go?
No, I guess.
Leave it, son. Leave it. Finish.
Leave the fingers. I don't care about the fingers now.
Oh yeah, no. It's the biggest cousin I've ever saw. 3.
Should I let go?
No, let me just. Let's